Want to find the perfect candidate for your team? LinkedIn makes job posting quick and efficient. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to post a job on LinkedIn step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Step 2. Once you're in, click on the Jobs tab in the top navigation bar. Step 3. Then click Post a free job to begin the setup process. Step 4. Enter the job title and write a clear and concise job description to attract the right applicants. Step 5. LinkedIn also offers AI-generated job descriptions. Feel free to use them to save time, then click Post when you're done. Bonus tip. After posting, boost visibility by sharing your job listing on your profile and asking your network to reshare. And that's all it takes to post a job on LinkedIn. It's fast, free, and incredibly effective. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple tutorials every week. See you next time!